Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest projects around the world. Today, we're going to talk about the world's future 5 biggest mega projects. These are the projects that will revolutionize the way we live and work, and they're expected to be some of the largest and most ambitious projects ever undertaken by humanity. 1. The high-speed rail, HSR, network is a transportation system that aims to connect major cities and regions with high-speed trains. The system uses advanced technology to allow trains to travel at speeds of up to 200 to 300 miles per hour, reducing travel time and increasing efficiency. The development of the HSR network requires significant investment in infrastructure and technology. The cost of building the system can be substantial, ranging from billions to tens of billions of dollars depending on the size and scope of the project. However, the benefits of the HSR network are also substantial. It can improve transportation efficiency, reduce congestion on roads and highways, and promote economic growth in the regions it connects. Additionally, high-speed rail is a more sustainable form of transportation than air or road travel, reducing carbon emissions and promoting a greener future. The cost of the HSR network can be offset by various factors such as government funding, private investment, and user fees. In some cases, the economic benefits of the system can outweigh the initial investment cost, making it a worthwhile project for governments and private investors. In conclusion, while the cost of the HSR network may seem high, its potential benefits are significant. The development of the system can lead to improved transportation efficiency, reduced carbon emissions, and economic growth. Therefore, it is essential for governments and private investors to invest in this modern and sustainable transportation system. 2. The Mars Colony Project is an ambitious endeavor to establish a permanent human settlement on the planet Mars. While the idea of colonizing Mars has been around for a long time, recent advancements in technology and space exploration have made it more feasible than ever before. The project involves a series of robotic missions to Mars to explore the planet and gather data, followed by human missions to build habitats and perform scientific research. The challenges of the harsh Martian environment, including extreme temperatures, radiation, and a thin atmosphere, make the project highly complex and risky. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of the Mars Colony Project are immense. It could open up new possibilities for space exploration and interplanetary colonization, and the technologies developed for the project could have practical applications on Earth. Overall, the Mars Colony Project is a testament to human innovation and the spirit of exploration. It represents a significant step forward in our understanding of the universe and our place in it. While the project is still in its early stages, it holds the promise of shaping the future of humanity for generations to come. 3. The Global Renewable Energy Grid, GRE, is a project that aims to create a worldwide network of interconnected renewable energy sources. The project envisions a future where energy is generated from sustainable sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower and transmitted across the world through a global grid. The development of the GRE requires significant investment in infrastructure and technology. However, the benefits of the project are immense. The GRE could reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and promote a more sustainable future for the planet. It could also promote economic growth by creating jobs in the renewable energy sector and reducing energy costs. The GRE can also help to address the issue of energy poverty in developing countries. By providing access to clean and affordable energy, the GRE can improve the quality of life for millions of people around the world. The Global Renewable Energy Grid represents a bold vision for the future of energy. While the project may be challenging, its potential benefits are significant. The development of a global network of renewable energy sources can help to create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Therefore, it is essential that governments and private investors invest in this important project. 4. The Vertical Farming, VF, revolution is a promising solution to the challenges facing traditional agriculture. While the initial investment cost of VF may be high, the long-term benefits can make it a worthwhile investment. The cost of VF can vary depending on factors such as the size of the farm, the technology used, and the location. According to estimates, the cost of building a VF facility can range from $100 to $500 per square foot. However, the benefits of VF can outweigh the initial investment cost. VF can reduce water usage, eliminate the need for pesticides, and provide fresh produce to urban areas. VF also has the potential to increase food security by providing a reliable source of food in areas where traditional farming is not possible. Therefore, it is essential that governments and private investors support the development of VF technology and infrastructure. By investing in VF, we can create a more sustainable and efficient food production system, promoting a healthier planet and healthier communities. 5. The artificial intelligence, AI, singularity refers to a hypothetical future in which AI surpasses human intelligence, leading to an exponential growth in technological progress. While the cost of achieving the AI singularity is difficult to estimate, the investment in AI research and development has been significant in recent years. According to estimates, global investment in AI could reach $110 billion by 2025. The cost of developing AI technologies can vary depending on the application, but it typically involves significant investment in infrastructure, data processing, and talent acquisition. While the cost of achieving the AI singularity may seem high, the potential benefits are significant. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries such as healthcare, transportation, and finance, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. Additionally, AI can help address some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change and global health pandemics. Therefore, it is essential that governments and private investors continue to invest in AI research and development. By doing so, we can harness the potential of AI to create a more sustainable and prosperous future for all. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe my channel. Your action always inspire me for more research and upload new video.